Hey, my beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. This is yet another timeless energy check video that is only for you guys. So, it doesn't matter whenever you are coming across my live, you are meant to find it when you are meant to find it. How are you guys, by the way? Are you okay? Are you doing good? How is the month of July treating you all? Hope it's doing good. It is treating you all quite well. So, without a further ado, you already know the drill. Take 3 deep breaths, take a person's name, and hit the like button and message me. I claim this particular reading today. So let's see what the energies has to say about you and your connection today. Wow. The very first card that came out is the Justice. Something tells me that uh, somewhere down the line, somebody is trying to balance the situation here. Somebody may be going through a separation, somebody may be going through a third party separation, somebody may be fighting a divorce case, somebody may be in a marriage right now who is trying to separate, but there seems to be some sort of balance which is missing. In case of there's nothing of that sort, I do see that your person is juggling with some sort of legal paperwork, or I see that there is an imbalance that is there in your connection that you trying really hard to maintain. This person seems like that this person has walked away from this particular connection because of a heartbreak that they have either caused you, or because of the heartbreak that they have received in this particular connection. I do understand that in this situation there seems to be a third party role. In case if there is no third party situation in this particular connection, then I do see a proper grief, disappointment, heartbreak. Probably you said something to them because of which they are now feeling bad. But now, there is another situation here wherein I see that because this person is married, or you are married, or both of you are married, that's why they thought that it's better to walk away from this particular situation or this particular connection, because it is somewhere down the line not serving pretty well to both of you. I see that there is definitely taking time, taking space, and this space for both of you is causing a heartbreak. I sense that the love is immensely there. The love definitely is connecting you guys, but because there is a third party situation that is sort of breaking this particular situation as well. The Wheel of Fortune, I do see that somewhere down the line this is a karmic connection. You guys are supposed to go through what you are going through right now, because somewhere down the line I sense that this Wheel of Fortune is going to first create a havoc, a chaos in your situation, in your relationship. This particular connection is meant to be. No matter how many times you are going to separate, you guys will always end up together. I feel that there is karmic debts that needs to be paid before you guys can actually get into a relationship, a proper full blown relationship. And I see that right now everything is up in the air. No matter, it's a loop. Basically, it's a loop that you guys are going through. You guys come together, then you guys separate, and then again you guys come together. So this is a sort of a loop that you guys are into, that you guys are caught up into right now. I somewhere down the line, I'm also sensing that this particular connection is going to become better only after June. Before that, all the karmic the debts needs to be paid off. The Nine of Pentacles, I do see a wish fulfillment coming up for you guys. In case if you've been wishing this particular connection really badly in your life, now is the time when it is going to come to fruition. Starting from September and October is the timeline when I see the spirits are telling me that you have put in a lot of hard work, you have done a lot of hard work, not only in this particular relationship, but otherwise as well in life. You have put in a lot of hard work, and now is the time when you are going to reap the fruits of your labor. I see for few of you, in case if you are trying to move on from this particular situation or this particular connection, I see a newfound passion is also seen in your connection, in your life. Somebody may be stepping in your life and trying to, you know, be there for you. A newfound passion, a new person can also be entering in your life. In case if you're not trying to move on, I see that there can be a situation if this person has walked away from you, an upcoming 1 week this person is going to reach out to you again, because this particular connection is a twin flame connection that you're dealing with. The passion is running really high, the attraction is really high, the love is very strong, and it is very difficult for you guys to detach from each other. I see that the attachment is very strong, the love, the bond, that is very strong, and that is why you guys are unable to detach from each other. Okay, so I feel that not only this, I see that the chemistry between you both is very, very strong, very strong. Oh my god, their past regrets, probably you or your person is regretting, with whosoever this person is, they are regretting that, you know, in case if they could have got married to you or in a relationship with you, the life would have been really good. Because when they are with you, they feel at home, they feel as if you are the one meant for them, you are the one they need to be with, you are the one they need to have a life with. This is a soulmate connection. Probably there has been something that has happened in the recent past because of which they are regretting. Probably there are regrets either from your at your end or at their end, but there seems to be some regrets also playing a role in this particular connection. I feel that either you said something right now that you're regretting, that you could have handled things in a better way, or they are regretting their past, or the same thing, that they could have said things in a better way or handled things in a better way right now. So definitely this is a soulmate twin flame connection that you're dealing with. There are regrets, past hurt as well, and because of that they have lost touch, they have lost interest in their life, in their normal life, in so they are just living for the heck of living, because they know that they are not with you. They always wanted to be with you, they always want to be with you, they want to have a life with you, because they cannot imagine a life without you. They feel a very strong pull, attraction, they feel a very deep sense of emotion when they are with you, and they can't do without you. And this end that they have done with you, which is recently happened, don't you get afraid, because this is not a permanent end, this is a temporary ending of the situation. I feel that with the 10 of swords, your person is going to come back in your life. Your person is feeling really bad, they're feeling very betrayed, they're feeling very hurt of whatever situation that they have caused in this particular whatever decision that they have taken in this particular connection. They themselves are regretting, they themselves are going through a lot of pain. Okay, they can't bear that pain anymore, they feel that they have betrayed, they are feeling betrayed by themselves, by their destiny, by their choice, what they have made. They feel betrayed big time, and they just can't tolerate this anymore. I feel that they are right now, coming forward for a new beginning, because they now understand that this is not what they wanted in life. They are regretting what they have chosen, they are regretting what they have done, and they are no more in that mind of frame of mind wherein they want to end this connection. They may have said this in the recent past that they want to end this connection, but guys, now they have realized your value. They are regretting what they did to you, they're regretting what they said to you, and now they want to come back in, they want to start this connection again, they want to be in this connection again, only and only with you and no one else in this particular situation. They want to give you that stability. They are even so, in case if there is a third party situation in this particular connection, then there are chances they are even thinking about ending the third party situation, coming forward to be with you. And in case if there are chances that this person is married, then they are even thinking about getting a divorce just to be with you. So this is quite a strong reading, guys. I mean, I don't know whether you're waiting for this connection or not, because I see over here there is some a negative female figure playing a role over here. Probably you have made yourself very clear what you are looking for in this particular connection. Either that, or their wife, their sister, their mother, somebody is definitely trying to get hold of this person right now, and things are becoming quite negative in their, they're trying to put in things which are becoming very negative in their mind to detach you from them. That is also a possibility. So in case if this particular reading resonates with you guys, then you can go for the third party situation, third party removal spell work with me. It will help the other person to not influence your person, and your person to easily separate with your with the third party. And in case if you want a reconciliation, then go for the 21 days love combo. In case if it is not in your budget, then go for the 3 days mini love combo. And in case if you only and only looking for a third party removal, then you can go for that as well. But along with that, I would suggest go for the 7 day love reconciliation communication spell work as well, so that once they start detaching from the third party, they start getting attracted towards you. So that is going to work simultaneously in your connection. So I'm going to take your leave, guys. I'm going to see you later. Bye bye.